Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can merge all the PDF file into one. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if you check my desktop, I have three sample PDF over here. One is this which has 30 pages. One is this which has only one page, and this is the last one with one page. So I will go ahead and merge this. So the process is pretty simple. All you have to do is go to this website I love PDF and click on the first link, merge PDF. I will select all the PDF file on my desktop. I will select all three of them and click on open. Now you can rearrange them as you want. So I will select this first and then I will click on merge PDF. Now the PDF have been merged. I will go ahead and download it and I will open it. So as you can see, all the PDFs are now merged into one. So it is this simple. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.